Hello and welcome to Penton UK. This video is a training tutorial for uploading and storing a file onto a TERRACOM device. Initially, select the Setup 1 option and then the Media Setting tab. Once the page is refreshed, click Browse, select the file you wish to upload and then click Store. Your file is now saved on the TERRACOM device. After another quick page refresh, you should see the file name stored under Disk C, which refers to the internal storage. If you are using a USB storage device, this will be shown as Disk D. If you would like to create a playlist, this option can be found on the right-hand side of the screen under Playlist Setting. Simply add the name of the playlist, set your repeat count, and then select the files you want to add. To save these playlist settings, click Save to Internal. You have now successfully stored a file and added it to a saved playlist. Please make sure you subscribe to our Penton UK channel for updates on further TERRACOM training videos. Thank you for watching.